What's going on, YouTube? So, we got a package in from Lasfit, the premium and custom fit Tesla accessories. What these are right here are seat backs that will go along right here to help protect things sliding around and knock it in the back of your seats. They want us to try these out, see what we thought about them, install them, see how they're easy to install, product, material, and whatnot. So let's get rid of the box real quick. Let's put these up here. Note the new Alcantara lined cargo cover, which is custom made. That you can't buy in a store, but I can get it made for you. Drop a comment if you'd like to go further on that in a bit. So, real nice rubber actually. Good cutout. It does have some Velcro on it to secure it to the material that's kind of Velcro-y almost in its own right on that the seat back. So let's go ahead and start installing these and see what they look like. All right, so we do have these lined up, ready to go. Very easy to see which one goes with which. As you notice, this outside part kind of concaves, and we do have the cutout right here that matches up. To install, I would suggest taking your Model Y, if for this instance, as I have a Model Y Performance, and lifting that little area cover that we all hide our stuff in, and moving it up just accordingly so you can get in here and place it. So all we really literally have to do is put on top. I'm literally doing this one-handed with an iPhone in the other. Hardest part is right here, getting this little spot in where the seatbelt latch goes for a child safety seat, and literally we're already installed on this side. Take a peek. Easy enough. Let's see if we can do the next one with one hand as well. Put this away for a second. All right, we can see this one goes right here. This one might be a little more difficult. Not really. Go ahead, squish that down. Note, even right here, as I'm seeing now, it does have the 60-40 split, so it does have the outline right here so it can make it through. And we already have these two installed already. Simple as that. I'm gonna go to the other side, let's install the other, and we'll be done. All right, we're on the passenger side. This is the last side to do. Very easy so far. Let's just flip this all around. Line it up accordingly. The Velcro does give a good bit too, so it's not like you're stuck in one spot with some brands I've had. Push this down, and just like that, we are all set. Still has a spot to cut through to go ahead for the middle area to release that 60-40. We're good to go. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good while down. Definitely protective material. Love it. It's a very sturdy rubber. Let's go ahead and put it back together and see what it looks like from the back. All right, so here it is, all in and looking good. Definitely fits perfectly. Definitely easy installation, as you guys saw. Forgot to show. Comes with this little pamphlet, lets you know about their products and what's what and how to install. Very good material to have. It's all in English, so that's all a plus there for us in North America that have our Teslas. So that being said, let's get in and take a closer peek. And as I said earlier, it's kind of this rubber material that you can just feel the quality, and once it gets knocked into, it's not going anywhere. It'll definitely take some force on it and not damage anything. Everything is left open for whatnot, easy 60-40 split or down both sides, whatnot. Definitely cool. So go ahead, if you like this, go to Lasfit and buy a pair. They also have a bunch of other unique fitting products for liners and whatnot. Use code JTheDev, save some money at checkout. And go ahead, tell me what you think of this product, and if you would like to buy one, or if you have another product that you'd like to buy from them, comment below. Give a like, share, subscribe, do your thing, and see you in the next video.